Not sure how many more Stitch Fix boxes I'm going to order because I received notification that my Style Pass expires August the 8th and they're not renewing it. Nope, not renewing it. If anyone's not familiar with the Style Pass, basically I pay $49 for the year and I get unlimited style boxes. You can get them monthly, you can get them on demand, as many as you want, and you don't pay a style fee. So it's coming to an end, and I kind of knew that was coming because a lot of people have talked about it. So I don't know. I will probably order one more box after this one, and then after that, I don't know what I'm gonna do. What do you guys wanna see? What would you like to see? Would you like some clothing hauls? Would you like some decorating? What would you like to see? Let me know. All right, let's get to the try on. I am going to show you the first item and different ways that you can style it and it changes the look. This is the first cute little dress. This dress really surprised me. It has pockets, it's tiered, it's sleeveless, and the sleeves go more inward, so it's not real broad bra friendly, but it's very comfortable. This would also make a really cute bathing suit cover up. They say it's a red, but it looks more like a rust color to me. So I thought, well, when I first opened it, I was like, I don't know. But then when I had it on, it's very comfortable. It is not lined. I am wearing a size medium, and it goes down, I'm 5'3", and it goes down to my knee. I'm 5'3" and a bit. So I like the length of it. I like the ease of it. Size medium, $49. I'm like, $49. I know I could find something at TJ Maxx or Marshall's or the Loft or someplace. The problem is that I am home. The item is here. Someone selected it for me. They paid for shipping. So I need to take that into account also. Am I gonna find anything like this? I don't know. I went to my TJ Maxx and Marshall's over the weekend. I didn't find anything. I have trouble finding clothes at those stores. It's very hit or miss. But I don't know. What do you guys think? I think it's really cute. It's 60% cotton, 40% modal, so it's machine washable. It's just a nice, easy dress to wear. I am currently wearing it with my flip-flops. I don't even know what these are. That I wear through the house a lot in the summer. So I thought, okay, if I were to wear this dress out, how would I dress it up? So what I did is I tried a couple different outfits. The first one is I tried my cut from the cloth denim jacket with it, and it has the frayed bottom, and I just put my New Balance gym shoes on. And I really like that look. I think it elevated a little bit. I put a necklace on. I'm really rethinking this dress for $49. I'm like, okay, maybe it's a keeper. It's worth it. It looks cute with gym shoes to dress it up. I love denim jackets. I have a closet full of them, so I could change the look. So I'm like, okay, so what if I dressed it up a little bit more? Let's say going out to dinner with my girlfriends or my husband or something. So then I'm looking through all my jackets and I find this jacket. Okay, I don't know. I think I got this from Fashion years and years and years ago. There's no label in it. And then I discovered for the first time that it's reversible. 2-in-1. Love it. So I put this jacket on with a pair of my, I think they're wedges. I don't know what they are, but they're by DV8, and I got them from Stitch Fix. Love, love, love those shoes. Love them. They are comfortable. I take them on vacation with me just to get a little elevated look other than my gym shoes that I wear all the time. So for $49, I don't know. What do you guys think? Again, I could wear it as a swimsuit cover up. I don't know. So let me know your thoughts on that. Let's see what's next. Love this dress. I love the square neck. I like the length of it. It's just a tad bit longer than the last dress. Pockets. This is blue. And I love this dress. It's so easy to wear. So it's got a little bit of a high waist, but not, yeah, because my natural waistline is down here. So it's a little bit high, very comfortable. I like the small little sleeves on it. The material is really nice. It's unlined. You saw it has pockets, all the gathering here. It's just a really easy dress to wear, and you can dress it up or dress it down. What I like about it is just the ease of it. I mean, just like the last dress, you can kind of change it up. I like this dress a lot more. Of course, it's more expensive. I am wearing a size medium, $69. Yikes. I think that's expensive for this dress, but I really like it. I could see getting a lot of wear out of this dress. I hope you guys can see the material kind of up close. It's really nice. It's 61% cotton, 34% recycled polyester, 5% spandex. So I'm like, okay, this is pretty cute. But what would it look like with just a pair of gym shoes? So I tried on my plain white, I think they're called Ryka or something like that. I got them at DSW Shoes last year. Love them. I'm going to order another pair. So I tried them on. I put a necklace on. I think I put a necklace on with it and just my white tennis shoes. And I like the look. And it's a look that I will go out to dinner with or just wear the dress casual around the house and put some gym shoes on and go out to dinner if I want. I don't, that's just me. Very simple, very casual, with a little bit elevated by wearing a dress instead of wearing shorts. So love this. And then I thought, well, let's see what it looks like with my cut from the cloth denim jacket that I love, this denim jacket. And I put my DV8 shoes on with it, changed the look, ready to go out with my husband or meet with my girlfriends, whatever it might be. And I'm like, okay, I think this dress, even for $69, which is overpriced, but it's here, I think it might be a keeper. I don't know. What do you guys think? Love it. No pockets, great length, elastic waist, V-neck. Let's see, it's got buttons here. I know they're really hard to see. They are not, they might be working buttons, hard to tell. I don't know why you'd want to unbutton it. Love the neckline of this. The sleeves are okay. I'm normally not a tab girl, but these, see, I don't know if these, no, they're working tabs, so you could undo them, pull the sleeves down, but I think it looks really nice with it bunched up. Love the style of this dress. I'm not sure about the print. So I was like, it sure is kind of cute. I like the style. So I'm like, I'm not a print girl. And I know a lot of you guys like prints, and I'm trying to get out of my comfort zone a little bit. But this dress is $59 for something I'm not sure about. I wish it had pockets, but it's not a deal breaker. It's the print, more or less. The print is like, it's like these little red flowers, which is cute. The dress is 95% rayon, 5% spandex. So I was like, oh, let me try it on with gym shoes and see what that looks like. So I tried them on with just my plain white. I think these are Ryka, R-Y-K, oh, that's A. So I'm not really sure. Love these. So if you have bunions, or a foot problem, there's no stitching on top. Yeah, these need to be washed. No stitching, so it doesn't rub against your foot or anything. I'm gonna buy another pair in white because we are going on a trip in September, and I wanna have these, we're gonna do a lot of walking, so I wanna have these with me because they're the best ones that I have found. So I like them. I like the dress with just the gym shoes. Looks nice. It's workable, I could do that. But then I thought, well, I don't know. This is a lot of print for me. So I got out my Liverpool red denim jacket. Love this jacket. Liverpool usually has inside pockets, which I like. That's why I like the Liverpool better than the cut from the cloth. So I put this on with my DV8 shoes, and I'm like, oh my gosh, isn't that cute? I'm like, it really changes the look. And I'm like, I don't know, that's kind of cute. What do you guys think? Let me know. FYI, these are my shoes that I've been wearing. You can tell I wear them a lot, that I got from Stitch Fix. Love, love, love these. So, I don't know, what do you guys think? Not a dress, but a shirt, a print that I really like, and a pair of shorts. Great length for me. But before I talk about this outfit, I wanted to point out something else about the last dress that I had on. It also has pockets. Because there was so much print, it's hard to see. But there are pockets on the top. And there's one on each side. They're just really hard to see with the little buttons. So I want to show that to you guys. Okay, let's talk about this top. I am not a print girl, but I am loving this blouse. It is so cute. I like the print. It says it's a white, but it's got a pink undertone to it. And the print, I guess those are flowers. I don't know, but they are cute. This is really cute. Love the style. I like the V-neck without a collar. The sleeves are really nice. They're not too tight. They're all gathered here, stretchy, it's thick. So I like that. It's just really cute, little puppy. It's 100% rayon, but it doesn't feel like rayon. I don't know what this feels like, but it feels nice. 100% rayon, it is machine washable, and I'm like, okay, so maybe. I think it's really cute. Let's see, what else? I don't know. I'm gonna show you the shorts, and then I'm gonna pull the top out so you can see it's pretty long. Let me turn around. I don't know if I told you, I'm wearing a size medium and it's $45. I know, $45. There's no pleats or anything in it, so it's gonna be a little more flowy, but although it tucks in really nice, I normally don't tuck my shirts in, and I tried just a front tuck, but the shirt I think is too long for that, but I'd have to play with it. Let's talk about these shorts. They're killing me. They are way too tight in the waist. There's hardly no stretch in them. I don't know if there's any in there. They're by LIZZY. Never heard of them. The Bermuda shorts, I'm wearing black in a size medium. There's pockets in the front. They're pleated, which for me, makes it pucker. No back pockets. They must be on sale because they're $37.97. I mean, I really like them, but the waist is way too big. So back, no pockets. 55% cotton, 45% viscose, and let's see, I think that's about it. So let me show you, okay, before I pull the shirt out, I tried this on with my cut from the cloth denim jacket. And I'm like, that's cute, but there's something that's just not, I don't know, it's okay. And I also had my New Balance shoes. These are the 327s that I really like, except if you have foot problems or bunions, the stitching on the top of the shoe, it bothers my feet after a while. I can't just be out all day in these, and I can't go walking in these. I can go to the grocery store, go to the mall, for a couple hours, but to be out longer than that, these hurt. And it's the stitching, but I love the style of these shoes where this shoe has no stitching. So this is more of what I'm looking for until I get that other foot fixed. But before I show you the shirt, I'm gonna try my Liverpool jacket on with this, if the shorts fit. They're just too tight in the waist. Okay, I think this color jacket looks better than the blue denim. What do you guys think? Yeah, I like this jacket better. Okay, let's see. And that's it. What do you guys think? I think overall, it's a really good fix. At first, when I opened the box, I was very disappointed. And that's why I tried things on before I filmed to decide if I was even going to film. So this top really surprised me. Let me pull it out, show you how long it is. It's a nice length shirt. Just do a front tuck. I think I might be buying this. It's, well, how much? $45, which is crazy because of all the sales and everything. But I don't know. I like this in the blue dress. The first dress, I'm kind of on the fence, but I could wear it. We do have a pool, so I could wear it over my bathing suit and feel like I'm dressed. I don't know, but it's kind of expensive for what it is. Let me know what your thoughts are. Also with the Stitch Fix math, if I keep all, let's see, all 5 items are $259.97. That's not bad for 3 dresses. Buy all discount, you get 25% off. That would be $64.99. So my new total would be $194.98, which, you know, $195 for everything isn't bad, but I'm not keeping everything. No. I think I might keep this. I might have to look back at the video and see. I don't know. I kind of like it for a print. I think it'll look great with denim. Okay, I am on my way to finally get a haircut, much needed. And let me know your thoughts. Thanks so much for watching. Everyone have a wonderful morning, afternoon, or evening, wherever you are, from my home to yours.